What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today we will be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, this is in the deep purple color, and this is the phone itself. As you can see, it's in the stainless steel, and we have the bigger camera bump as it has a 48 megapixel of camera. So let's see what all other contents we have inside the box. And this new color, which is deep purple, looks really good. And on the front we have the picture of the phone itself, and you can see we have the similar seal that we had earlier with the iPhone 13 as well. So no plastic this time. And on the back, this is a very different color. As you can see, on the side we have the space black color, which looks really different. This is a bit different than what we had earlier. So now let's unbox the newer gold iPhone. As you can see, this is the gold iPhone 14 Pro, and it from the back looks pretty similar to the iPhone 13 Pro. The only real difference what we have is from the front. So let's unbox the other iPhone, and this is the black one. So basically the black more of a space gray rather than the black one which we have unboxed earlier. As you can see, because of the camera bump, since the camera bump is pretty big, so we can see the phone wobbles a lot on the table because of the camera lens. As you can see from the side, it's very big, much bigger than the iPhone 12 and the 11. So let's compare all the three colors, which is gold, then we have the black or the space black, and the deep purple. So that's all for this unboxing guys. If you like the video, do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section.